So एक बार तू रोई भी थी बीच में ना?
हाँ, so it was just like 20 days before CAT, and I called my mentor from CAT King and I just started crying, and she's like, just calm down, come to the center, and then she again prepared a whole plan for me, like this is the 20 days plan, and I made sure that I made a tick on all those things. And
so she made a nice plan with you कि ये पढ़ते जा, ऐसे tick करते जा.
Yes.
Very good, very good.
And
so people who are studying with us, reach out to your mentor. All the mentors are really nice here. Who was helping you in the preparation for quant, for verbal, for everything?
So for verbal, I had Aishwarya ma'am, and I must tell, she was always there for me. Like even I used to text her at night at 1 o'clock, and she used to reply to me.
Oh, sweet.
And yeah, she was very helpful, like throughout the whole journey.
Great. Let's do step by step. Quants के अंदर, how was your quants preparation strategy? You always good in quants के?
Yeah, quants was my strong point. So, but like the gap was too long for maths. So what I did was I made a list of all the topics, and I first read the theory of that thing, and then I used to Google like the difficult topics of, suppose, permutation combination, so difficult sums on permutation combination, and solve all of them, note down which I was not able to do, write down what was the mistake and things, and like so I guess in 1 month or something only I finished with the whole quants.
Oh, lovely, lovely. So guys, पहले short example कर लो, book से easy चीजें कर लो, what Kirti is saying, and then move to Google and find all the difficult questions. We made all these handouts etc. वो भी download किए थे?
Yes.
Okay.
All those things, and especially for verbal we had this CAT King 100 para jumbles to solve.
Yes.
100 must solve para jumble.
Yeah.
I solved all of them. And first, I must say this, I was very bad at para jumbles. Like I solved one para jumble and I did not even get anything. And I used to regularly attend verbal Wednesdays until the end. I guess para jumbles was my strong point there.
Great. And 10 में से around
7 were right in CAT.
10 में से 7 para jumbles were right, guys. Verbal Wednesday जिनको नहीं पता है, राहुल सर का एक और लंगर लगता है हर 9 बजे रात को मैं पढ़ाता हूँ, नीचे मैं लिंक दे दूंगा. Join that. It's called me.
6 o'clock.
Oops, that's my watch. Nevertheless, and how about sectional tests? Were you very aggressive on sectional tests?
Yes, whenever I used to get time, I used to solve a sectional test. Like, and CAT, if you talk about CAT King sectional test, it is like 10 sectional tests. Each one of them, the level of difficulty increases.
Yeah.
So first you solve, you get a confidence like, yeah, I'm able to solve. Then the second you solve, third, fourth, until the end, all kind of questions are covered, and it was really helpful, the section. Whenever I used to get time, I used to solve sectional tests.
That's lovely, guys. So जितने भी हमारे sectional test और mock भी ना, उसके अंदर लिखा हुआ है ये basic है, ये advanced है, and ये intensive है. You know where you're jumping into, rather than giving the difficult mocks, and build up your confidence throughout. That's great. And your para jumbles were good. How about reading it through online? कुछ तो websites वगैरह कुछ follow कर रहे थे कुछ?
Yeah. So in month of June or July, Rahul sir suggested us to read Eon essays online and New York Times. So I used to read Eon essays regularly. I personally love Eon essays now.
Okay, this is really amazing, guys. जिनको नहीं पता मैं नीचे लिंक दे दूंगा. CAT का पेपर Eon essay based होता है. पहले वहाँ से आ चुके हैं और New York Times होता है, Guardian होता है. But Eon, this is my favorite as well, so you guys can pick it for sure. Your favorite too. That's lovely. And how about the बेसिक बुक कर लिया, उसके बाद एडवांस बुक वर्बल में रियल कैट क्वेश्चन कुछ सॉल्व किए थे तुमने?
Yeah, I used to solve the past papers.
Okay.
And advanced books are like compilation of all the topics of past your CAT papers. So I used to solve that for verbal especially, and para jumbles, and the RCs also.
Okay.
So
everything,
that was really helpful.
I always recommend students to pick up one foreign exam preparation as well along with CAT, क्योंकि उससे verbal थोड़ा और up हो जाता है. आज हम verbal की बात ज़्यादा कर रहे हैं because उसका भी verbal strong area था, इसलिए पहले weak था फिर strong हो गया.
Yes.
And so you prepared for some GRE or GMAT, one of those?
Yes, I was preparing for GRE.
Okay, it helped you in the entire
Yes,
process.
the verbal part really helped me.
Great. So if you want to push up your scores, एक foreign exam की भी तैयारी साथ में करो. बाहर नहीं भी जाना, it's going to be helpful for sure. Great. And any moments like where you were depressed? I know मैंने इसको रोते भी देखा है 2-3 बार, ऐश्वर्या के साथ तो फोन पे रोई है. But how are the parents supporting in the whole game?
Okay, so my parents used to be like, अगर नहीं भी हो रहा है तो it's okay, हो जाएगा. But I was very nervous that I won't be able to make it. And sometimes I used to talk to Bhavik sir also, like, sir, it's not going to happen, and sir used to like, अरे हो जाएगा.
Bhavik sir is very cool. हो जाएगा. Great.
So he also used to give me tips for quants, and he also used to make plans for quants, and in class also he used to give us a prep plan like this is the topic, so पहले इससे start करो, इससे start करो, इससे start करो, end में पूरा हो जाएगा. So
So I feel very proud. You're an Andheri student, right?
yes.
Yeah, I feel very proud. ये अंधेरी की हमारी student है और एक साल ये home grown हमारा बच्चा है, and now she's preparing for IIM Bangalore, Calcutta, Indore, Lucknow, all the new IIMs. अहमदाबाद छोड़ के सारे 19 IIM इस लड़की ने क्लियर किए हैं. तो भाई the last parting 2 cents to all the people Kirti who are listening to you right now. What are your 2 cents to them कि यार बस ये कर लो types.
Okay, so I would like to say is कि just believe in yourself first, and preparation, don't lose hope. करते रहो, भले नहीं हो रहा है करते रहो. At the end it will all work out, and जो भी सर बोलते हैं, जो भी mentors तुम्हारे आजू बाजू जो भी बोलते हैं वो blindly follow करो. End में you will realize that it will all work out because of all those things only.
Great guys, so this is Kirti Wagh getting all these calls and I feel very proud again, and it's an ups and downs तो चलते रहेंगे. She started with 30 marks and now I am Bangalore call. How cool is that? Thank you Kirti, thank you so much. इतना खुश मैंने आज तक इसको अभी नहीं देखा, नहीं तो हमेशा sad मुझे सर मेरा क्या होगा types, and now she is killed. Super congrats. और हम GPI की तैयारी करें, I'm sure she's going to make it for sure. Thank you guys for joining. If you guys have any questions, drop in a message for sure. I'll be more than happy to reply or ask Kirti to reply as well. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye.